Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to crochet another little Christmas tree, which is about 4.5 inches tall. I have another video with a similar tree, but this one is a little different, so I decided to record the process of making it in a separate video. I hope you'll find it useful. I am going to crochet using this cotton thread, size 10, and the hook that is almost 2 millimeters. Of course, the tree can be made using green thread with a red top and a brown trunk, but I like my trees to be white because they look like they are covered with snow. We'll start here with the magic loop, and in this loop we'll be making single crochet stitches with chains and little picots between them. Also in this first round we'll make a loop hanger for the tree. Let's make the magic loop like this. And the chain 4. Make a slip stitch now in the second chain from the hook. This will be our little picot. And because we have chain 2 on this side, we'll make chain 2 on the other side. And a single crochet. Chain 4. A slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Chain 2. A single crochet. And 2 more times. Chain 4, a slip stitch in the second, chain 2, a single crochet, and one more time, chain 4, a slip stitch, chain 2, a single crochet. Now we'll make a loop hanger. For the loop hanger, we'll make about chain 30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And now a slip stitch in the third chain from here, from the magic loop. This one. A slip stitch, another slip stitch in the next chain, and one more slip stitch in the next chain, and a single crochet. Now on this side of the loop we'll need to repeat what we made here, 4 groups of chain 4, a slip stitch, chain 2, and a single crochet. Make those please, and then I'll show how to continue. I have finished the other side of this round, and now we need to make 2 groups of 3 double crochets separated by chain 3, so that we could use that chain 3 to start the tree itself. So we'll make chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, and 2 more double crochets. 1, 2, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. This round is finished. Let's close the loop as well as we can, and we'll turn work over. In the next row, this is going to be the first row of the tree itself. We'll make 3 groups of 3 double crochets separated by chain 3. But first we need to get to this chain 3, and we'll do it using slip stitches. 1 slip stitch in the second of those 3 double crochets, 1 slip stitch in the third, and 1 slip stitch in chain 3. And now we'll be working in this chain 3. We'll make chain 3 instead of the first double crochet, and 2 more double crochets. This is the first group of 3, chain 3. Now the second group of 3, and the chain 3, and 3 double crochets more. 1, 2, 3. This is the first row of the tree. Now we'll start begin and end every row of the tree with the shell, which will consist of 3 double crochets, chain 3, and 3 double crochets. We'll start every row with 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, 3, the third one in the chain space. Now 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. In this row we'll make chain 3 between these shells, and now we are making the second shell and the last one. 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. On the other side, 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, 3, a shell, chain 3 will always separate the shells from the center of the pattern, and now we'll make a double crochet in the second of those 3 chains, and chain 3 and a shell. Another shell on the other side, but first 3 slip stitches, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Chain 3. This time we will make a double crochet in the double crochet, chain 1, and another double crochet, in the same double, chain 3 and the usual shell. And another shell at the beginning of the next row. Three double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Easy to remember the pattern, all threes. And now let's look at the design of this tree. We are here. We made 2 double crochets in the previous row, and as you can see here in the center, in every row there is 1 double crochet more than in the previous one. And in each row we'll be making a double crochet in the first double crochet and a double crochet in the last one. And between them we'll be making double crochets not in the double crochets but in chain spaces. This way, by the end of the 10th row, we'll have 8 double crochets here in the middle. So we are making a double crochet in the double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet in the space between double crochets, chain 1, and a double crochet in the last double crochet, chain 3, and a shell. 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Well, let's make one more round together. 3 slip stitches, a shell, chain 3, and a single crochet in and a double crochet in the first double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet in this one, chain space, chain 1, a double crochet in the next, chain 1, space, chain 1, and a double crochet in the last double crochet. And continue this pattern, please, until you make 10 rows, then cut off the thread, and I'll show how to continue. I have finished these 10 rows and have made 8 double crochets here in the middle. I cut off the thread and can start making a trunk on the other side. We need to skip one of the double crochets and join thread and make chain 3 instead of the first double crochet. Now I'm going to make double crochets in each double crochet and in each chain 1 space, including this thread in my work. So now I have made 2 double crochets. Now stitch in stitch 3, a stitch in chain 1 space 4, stitch in stitch 5, in chain 1 space 6, stitch in stitch 7, in chain 1 space 8, and 3 more, 1, 2, 3, 11 double crochets in this row. Chain 3 instead of the first double crochet of the next row, and 10 more double crochets. So now I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one in the third chain of the previous row. And that's it, cut off the thread. Use a needle to work the ends of the thread in, like this. And here where we have a magic loop, make sure to pass the needle at least 2 times in different directions to make sure it is secured. And this is it. The tree is ready. You can leave it as is, or you can starch it a little to give it more definite shape. I like starching, especially because the top of the tree looks a little better, a little more defined this way. This is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If so, please push the like button. And if you want to be informed of all the new developments on the channel, consider subscribing and pushing the bell button. I have lots of other videos with Christmas ornaments and other objects of decor for the holidays. Watch them if you want to. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye-bye.